What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, of course. I actually don't think there's any ladies that are subscribed to me according to my YouTube analytics, but guys, trade recap. Holy fuck, man. We went fucking crazy today. I only took one trade. I caught a, spoiler alert, 92-point dub, but the model, I just live tested it, tested it. Everyone went fucking crazy today. 3-minute model went 3 for 3 today, which is fucking crazy. 2 of them hit full TP. I want to say, yeah, 2 of them hit full TP. I hit full TP on one. It's a great day to be alive. I ended up on the day yesterday too. We are up fat on the week, and it's only Tuesday. Also, guys, make sure, please, and thank you if you could, to drop a like on this video and hit that subscribe button. Maybe if you would really like to. It means a lot to me, helps me out a lot. Really trying to lock in on YouTube and get, a lot of videos out and really help you guys. Also, if you guys didn't see, I am starting my new Zero to a Funded series for you guys. It's going to be a 30-day series where I'm going to be uploading every single day. The first episode will come out today. I have not recorded it, but I already have it laid out and a plan for exactly what I want to talk about. And I've already thought about, gave it so much thought, planned it all out, and it's going to start from literally zero knowledge of trading. If you guys are familiar with the Discord, the trade path I did, it's kind of going to be similar to that, but it's going to be a lot more in-depth. There's going to be more information, how to set up your accounts, how to trade, every single thing, how to develop your own strategy, every single piece of knowledge I've learned going on 3 years of experience now and being mentored by 7-figure traders such as Steph and Habibi and some other names as well. I think that it is time that I now pass down my knowledge. Also today, I had my 5th green day on my Top Step accounts, and I'm going to be requesting another withdraw. Close to getting another one on my Apex account as well. You could even see right here, I had to double check the fucking payout rules just so I don't get denied like I did a few weeks ago. But anyway, that's going to be dropping today, so keep an eye out for that. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on it. But let's go ahead and replay today. Going into market open, I actually was bearish just because you can see we were in quite a bit of a downtrend since about 4 in the morning, earlier this morning. Obviously in a downtrend, 15-minute, whatever. Pretty bearish coming into open. We had a little bit of this pullback, but I was still pretty bearish. Anyway, coming into open, looking for, now right after this candle, I actually said I was looking for longs. We had just this pretty strong pump. Now, normally I would stay bearish until we kind of broke above this area right here, but it's a little different the way that I do my bias going into market open, because market open and pre-market, they kind of don't directly correlate as intraday levels do, if that makes sense. So I was bullish here. We came back down, had a little bit of your relief, actually really strong pullback, but we had a little bit of this bottom wick. I still wanted to see longs play out. At this point, right here now, I kind of was like, okay, I could kind of take either side. I wasn't fully sold on shorts right here. You could have taken shorts on this candle close. It's a very bearish 3-minute close, but after seeing that pump, I kind of wanted to see us break below that low first to really be sold on shorts. And guys, one thing I've really been noticing that I've been doing a lot without even meaning to is kind of taking this setup in the morning every single day. It's the exact setup I took yesterday, and I took the exact same setup today. And basically, that is where I'm going to go on the 1 minute. It's a lot easier to see on the 1 minute. Market opens at this red line. We have a move up. We have a move down. We have our initial pop up at open, a move down, and then we expand to the upside. Now, I know this is a smart money concepts thing, because back when I used to trade those concepts, I kind of used to try to learn about this thing, all these concepts. Right here, this was yesterday. Market opens at this red line, a little pop up, this push down, an expansionary move to the upside. On the flip side, sometimes we'd see a move down at open, a bit of a move up, and then an expansionary move to the downside. That actually is a smart money concept / ICT model. I forget the exact name of it. It's accumulation, manipulation, distribution, or some bullshit like that. The market does like to do this quite often, and I realize I've actually been taking setups off of this without even really meaning to. Maybe I'm becoming an ICT trader. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, I was still looking for longs. Like I said, wasn't sold on shorts right there until we got below there. Boom, really good long setup right there. So we have this initial pop up, that pullback once again. Boom, we fully engulf this entire candle, the body as well as the wick. So a very, very, very strong close. Right, I wanted to see, this was our pullback candle, so I wanted to see us get above there. We did. Then after this candle closed, I set a limit order for longs right there. We ended up getting filled on this candle right there. And oh, look at that candle close. That's enough to make a grown man fucking cry right there, chat. Anyway, we got filled. Stop loss right there. Of course, first TP is right here at a 1-to-1. Full TP is right here at a 2-to-1 RR. First TP hits. Second TP hits. In 3, 6, 9, less than 10 minutes. That was a 92-point fucking dub, bro. And I hit that shit at 9:48. 18 minutes into market open, less than a 20-minute workday. I made $550 per account. Also, one thing I said I've been doing, I built up quite a bit of drawdown on my fundeds. So I've kind of started to size up to where all of my trades are relative and are around a $300 stop loss. Like if I lose the trade, I'll lose around $300 for every trade. So on this trade, even though it was 46 points, and I used to say anything over 40 points, I would half size to 2 micros. I actually was in this trade with 3 micros. Since I was just over 40 points, if I got stopped out on this, probably would have been about a $300 loss, maybe like a $280 loss. Anyway, full TP hit right there. Absolutely amazing trade. We took out this high. It's also another thing, like I said, SMC, ICT heads, they will call this all sorts of different kind of overcomplicated bullshit. And guys, all you need is the Tells 3-minute model. Look at that. You don't have to overcomplicate anything. You don't have to say, oh, look. Oh, there's a resting liquidity pool down here. Turtle soup, boner, fucking ball sack, fucking dip your balls in hydrogen peroxide. Need 93% lean beef. Liquidity boner to take out this high from London Asian session lows. No, guys, it's not okay. You don't have to be doing all that. Anyway, I have no idea what the fuck I just came out of my mouth either, to be honest. But still looking for longs here. I'm going to get rid of this just for the example's sake. I didn't take any trades after that. That was a huge dub for me. Also, like I said, I secured another payout on my top step accounts. So after that, kind of just, you know, I mean, I'm not going to lie, just closed out my chart and hopped right on Rocket League right after I took that trade. But anyway, going back, this was some of you guys in the Discord actually took this setup right here. Still very bullish, obviously. Pullback handle right there. Took our setup right here. We close above, set a limit order there. Boom. Stop loss right there. We get filled on this candle. Take profit 1 hits. And then this did unfortunately get stopped at a break even. But we're still looking for longs here. Now I still want to look for longs until we probably about break this zone. So I'm keeping in mind this zone. Now, one thing I have implemented, guys, I've talked about it a little bit, is kind of like zones, intraday levels. I don't draw them out necessarily like this, but I do keep them in my mind. I wasn't going to flip bearish until we, really got below there or saw like very, very strong selling pressure right here. So as soon as we tap back into this area, that one was these highs from before and also this little area of consolidation right here, you can see, look how well we held that bottom wick. If I go on to the 1 minute, I also looked, we had a lot of selling pressure, and then we instantly we started to see some buys right here. So I actually really liked longs at this area. That's also, I think, yeah, very strong 15-minute close, which like right over here. So I was looking for longs. Okay, that's very strong selling pressure. Longs still look good. Boom. Longs right there. Pullback handle right there. We close above. Once again, we're going to set a limit order for right there as our entry. Stop loss is going to be right there. Let's see if we get filled on the next candle. Yes, we do. We also get filled and take profit hits in the next candle. Fuck on. Come on, guys. Come the fuck on, man. This shit's too easy, bro. This shit's too fucking easy, bro. And all y'all fucking ICT motherfuckers want to call this all 100 million different kinds of names. Boom. I just showed you how you can literally look at one fucking time frame and just read fucking price action, barely using your knowledge of fucking supply and demand zones to fucking get paid, bro. Bang. Take profit 1 hits. Spoiler alert. False fake profit hit, motherfucker. Anyway, that's 3 for 3 on the day. That's a trade recap for you guys. Hopefully this makes sense, guys. I'm really trying to... I'm trying to nail this shit home. Guys, I'm telling you, the 0-2 funded series I'm doing, bro, I'm telling y'all, man, I'm so dedicated to, like, helping y'all really learn, bro. Look, I even got a whiteboard and a fucking little pointer stick off Amazon so I can go like this, because we're going to be on the whiteboard some days. I'm going to be teaching you guys on the whiteboard just like you're back in 9th grade, motherfucker. But that's just... Oh, fuck, dude. It's so good. But guys, the love, the support recently has been crazy. I see the DMs. I get a lot of messages and stuff. I try to reply to them all, but there's so many, and I love you guys so much. It's mainly the reason that I, like, am so motivated to just purely for the love of the game. I want to, like, do this series and just try to help as many people. Because, bro, I literally get so much dopamine in my brain when I see people, like, trading, like, things that I've taught, and, like, they say that they passed their fundeds or they got payouts or whatever. And bro, it's so good. Like, I love seeing people eat, and I love to feel like I helped them out. So that's what we're going to do. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, stay tuned for that series, and I'll see you guys in that first 0-2 funded video later today. Peace.